in information system technology and has worked as an IT project manager for companies Equinix, PG&E, and AT&T. That's Keith Vinci. And finally, we welcome Emil Lawrence, Senior Director of the USF Black Achievement Success and Engagement Program. For 13 years, Emil has lifted up the cause of students here on the Hilltop. She has connected with them as a mentor through love and joy, and we thank her for bettering our community. Don fans, let's give a warm Hilltop welcome to our